Are you looking how to animate your text on your Wix website? For example, have your text swipe in from the left or from the right. In this quick video, we'll show you how that can be done. If you find this video helpful, if you go down below and drop us a like, and also considering subscribing to the channel to help you take your business to the next level. And without further ado, we'll jump into the video. So here we are inside the Wix editor. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using my personal website, which is davidwainwright.co.uk. We're going to go over how to do animations inside of your website. So all you want to do is come down and hover over a section of text you would like to have drag in from a certain position. You then want to just click on these dots here, or these rectangle squares, and it'll give you a load of different options how to have them bring in from which side. I'm going to just let you guys play around with this, see which one you prefer yourself. I'm going to have mine floating in for the time being on this tutorial. I'm going to go down to customize, and here it gives you an option of which side you would like it to float in from, if it's from the top, if it's from the right, the bottom, or the left. I'm going to make mine float in from the right. I'm also then going to change the duration of the time up to 1.5. This just means how long it takes to come in. If you change that to 4 seconds, it will slowly come across your screen and take 4 seconds. You can also then make a delay. I could make a delay of 0.5 seconds, for example. And when you click play, as you can see, it is delayed. What I'm also going to then do is change my about me with an animation from, again with a float in, but I'm going to change this one to be coming in from the left. I'm going to also change these to be the same as the text below, to 1.5 seconds duration and 0.5 seconds delay. So then, as you can see, if we then go to preview, they'll both swipe in, or I'll go do that again. They'll both swipe in from different sides of the screen, like so. Thanks for watching our quick video on how to animate your text. If you found this video helpful, if you could please go down below and drop us a like, and also considering subscribing to the channel to help you take your business to the next level. And with all that said, I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.